Myself is Mrs. Neelu Mewada. I am a caregiver of my husband, Mr. Dilip Mewada. He is a multiple myeloma cancer survivor. Yeah, that was 9th June. Doctor came and told. So that time we can't react anything because it's very big blast for our life. Kids were small, they were studying, so we were jabbed. And then, I don't know, we have to stand for that. That's fine, and that's a long, beautiful journey. Because first day when the news we got, that was a very tense night. And then big support of my kids. They were young, but still they said, Ki Mama, see, it's happened. So now we have to overcome it and be what you are. Don't, what I say in Hindi I will say, बच्चों ने बोला कि मम्मी आप बिल्कुल टेंशन नहीं लो, जो होना है वो होगा. Doctor says it's a 40 or 50 days he will leave. So he said whether it's 50 days or 50 months or 50 years, we will remain same. If Papa is going to leave 1 month, we will leave fully 1 month. No sad thing is there in our life. So that gives me a motivation कि we will live normal life. We will never realize him to realize that he is a patient and he is going to die. So that is the main thing I want to share with all caregiver or all family members कि never shatter down. Whatever situation comes, you see how to come out of it, and whatever is going to happen is happened, but we have still life in our hands, so live every moment, every day fully, with happily. It is very difficult for a caregiver to be in a same routine life because patient need a same routine life, on time tablet, on time food, and the food quality and the typical food. I have to give him every day early morning the almond, the fenugreek seed, the multiple seed, everything I have to take care that at night I have to soak. And this is my, now it become our ritual. At night we have to keep all 5-6 cups and we have to put everything to give. So it's almost 15 years I am doing that. And yeah, sometimes it becomes so typical and routine, but thank God my family, my kids and my daughter-in-laws, they are so nice and understanding. So even my husband and patient also realize that caregiver also need a space. She or he also have a life. So always they told me कि now mommy needs a space, and they send me for a holiday with my friend or they took me. So that is required. It's a long journey and we are balancing with each other ki ups and downs. Sometimes we feel now we will not see tomorrow, but we overcome of it, and again the tomorrow is there. So every day we are thankful to God that we have living. Yeah, that is during his second transplant. So after infusion of stem cells, after 2 days he is very down, and that is only in 15 years. That is the time I am very scared ki now what will happen. And I just came back to my own way कि whatever is happened is going to happen. I cannot do anything. Just wait and watch. Everything will be perfect. And even till today, all my friends and everybody says me, Neelu, how come you are always happy? Even in your house, your husband is not well and all, always you are smiling only. I said, I just know if something is going to happen means happen. I cannot stop that. So I want to make him happy in each and every condition. He should not feel कि I am sad, I am going. My wife's face shows me कि now you have to go. No, it never happened. And I always tell him कि देखना तुमसे पहले मैं ही जाएगी. One more thing I want to tell all caregivers. Actually, what happened when, especially ladies, so they don't care about themselves. They 100% surrender themselves for patient. So that makes patient also ill and the caregiver also ill. So first of all, I want to take it. First, you take care of yourself. Do not waste your energy in any other things. Entertaining relatives, talking on lots of on phone, explaining what you are going through and all. Instead of that, you save your that energy to help him and help yourself. I always take, if you are perfect, then you can help patient. If you are not aware of wasting in our India, you know how much the entertainment of relatives or mother or sister. So I am totally against it, and I gave them example. When Dilip's transplant has happened, first transplant, so naturally everybody, my parents, his parents, everybody were very shocked कि अब क्या होगा, अब क्या होगा. But I have told strictly to them that time I was the villain of the family कि she is not allowing anybody to meet Dilip. I say, you want to see him healthy, you give me 3 months time only, then I will call all of you to my house and we will have party. And I have done that. After that they realized, no, what Bhavi was saying is nice, because that time we need energy, we need hygienic point of view and everything. So no guest. When the patient is critical, please don't entertain any guest. You give 100% to patient. I am involved in Myeloma Friend as a caregiver.
Okay.
Whenever the session is for caregivers, I go there and I talk to them. I teach them how to come over of it and how you have to manage. Because caregiver, if a lady, then she has to manage everything. Home, hospital, kids, education, that way. I will tell a message to all caregiver कि first of all you have to be happy, then only you make others happy. And if you tried only to make others happy and you are sad, then nobody will happy. Thank you.